Welcome back, guys, to Devlog 2. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the not so very good introduction to this series in the previous video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button because there is more coming up. And I hope you guys like the introduction to this Devlog 2 because I really put in the work and I try to make it look as interesting as possible. So, to update you guys from yesterday, which was the day I posted the first video, uh, we have now created the fist, the main character to this game, right? So this fist, I well basically did it under, I believe, 30 minutes. A minute, yeah, 30 minutes. The reason for that is because I'm using a mouse. I do not have a tablet or any fancy stuff like that. So I want to show you guys just what makes this fist up. So I'm going to break it down in layers so that you guys can see just, what I did and how you guys can also achieve something like this on your free time, right? So yeah. So I'm gonna just break it down like so and so, right? Obviously, you guys saw it in the introduction video, so I don't know understand why I'm doing it again, but I just want to talk you guys through it. So what I did first was I actually took a picture, right? As you guys can see right here, I was designing this in class today at school, and when I got home, I took a picture and I just zoomed in on it, and from there on, I took my pen tool and I just did an outline to it, right? So with that, once I got the outline, I then added I then added some detail, right? These guys, I added these guys, and after adding those guys, I added the nails, and then I just added some borders around those, and then I added some shading, and then I added some of those army stuff on your arms. I don't know what you call that, on your hands. And then from there on, the fist was ready to go, right? And then we added some, that stuff, whatever that is. And then from there on, we did the wrist, and then we did those type of stuff there. I don't know what you call that, but I'm just designing stuff without really caring about what you call those stuff. But anyway, after doing so, I then exported this as a PNG, and I exported that to my save file location, and which is my downloads folder. And what I did was I just clicked and dragged it into Unity, and then from there on, the way my game works is that my sprites are actually rendered in whatever game time in the session itself, so you can't really see it when we are basically designing the game and so forth. So we only see it once we actually press play, because our script actually gets the sprite from our resources and it displays it as the player. And just to show you guys how it looks like now without the arrow and as the fist itself, I'm gonna press T, and if you remember what T is from the first video, congratulations, you were paying attention. And T on my keyboard here means take off, as I can show you guys in code right here. Take off. Let me just go to my class. Take off right here, right? So if we're not flying, we're gonna set flying to true, and when flying is true here in glide, we are then going to set its current speed. We're going to check for its current speed. If this current speed is less than 400, then we're going to increase it by 10 every second, and then we're going to take that value and we're going to add it to the rigid body as force, right? I hope that makes sense to you guys. And therefore, in our player script, which is deriving from, inheriting from bird, how this happens is when we press the key T, right? And we call that function, method, whatever you guys call it, and it takes off. And then from there on, glide checks if we are flying, and if we are, we will continue to fly. So yeah, I hope you guys understand that and how the logic works behind that. So I'm gonna press T now without wasting any time, and boom, there we go. Our fist now gains speed and it continues to go up and up and up and up. So I'm basically still working on this game, but I'm working on it daily. So every single day I'm gonna try to upload a video on what I've added to the game. So every single day I'll be working on this game, doing something to the game, right? So it won't be a lot of big changes, but I'm just showing you guys just what you can achieve by creating a game at your own pace, at your own time, and whenever you can. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope to see you guys on the next video, where I will be probably adding some UI elements to this, and some pretty good stuff. So thank you guys for watching once again. It is your boy Lou. I hope you guys enjoyed today's devlog video, and I'll catch you guys on the next. Have fun.